Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the one of the trickiest Princess Stella gossip quest in Heartopia. Give her favorite food. So this quest can be obtained from Mrs. Joan, and many players get stuck because every kitty has a different favorite food. And to find your own kitty favorite food, you can just check your log at this pet menu and then just choose your kitty, and then usually you will get the notifications or log about her favorite food on here. Like it usually says something like the kitty finds today meal extra tasty, blah blah blah, like that. And that message tell you which fish your kitty love the most. And this time I can show you about my history log on here because I ran out of my favorite food. And then you can also see the heart icon on one of the fish when you feeding your cat, like this for example. Like this, usually the fish that your kitty favorite food has a heart icon of love icon on it. But in here I ran off of my kitty favorite food, so I can't show you the heart icon on here. And then if you haven't discovered it yet, just simply keep trying different types of fish until the luck message appears. And another easy option is to feed another player's kitty. Just ask the owner what their kitty favorite food is first, and then just feed it that fish to complete the quest. And okay, that's how you can complete the Princess Stella quest, the gossip quest in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!